Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Trish, and today is going to be my Medusa's Makeup unboxing for the month of June. So if that is something that interests you, just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so the Medusa's Makeup I now have open. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so the first thing we have is coming in August is the birthday beauty box card. And then we have some pamphlets, interesting information, and my guide to festival season, which would be good if I did festivals, but I don't. So moving on. The really cool bags that I always comment on because it's lined with bubble wrap almost. It's really pretty. I do like that. And let's see what we got. The first thing is a rainbow hair clip, which is really pretty. I don't know that I would per se use this, but as we all know, I have two teenage daughters that would probably really like this. And the next thing is a beauty sponge that does not have a box, but this is what it looks like. And I just opened a new beauty sponge, so I will not be using this one anytime soon, but this one does feel really hard. It almost feels like one of those bouncy balls that you get from the vending machine at the mall. So I'd be intrigued to wet this down and see how soft it becomes, because I really don't like, you know, applying my makeup with rock. So there is that. And then the next thing I have is the Medusa's Makeup Liquid Lipstick, the matte. And this is in the shade Get Lucky. And this is a beautiful hot pink color. Woo, look at that color. That is pretty. Okay. Very summery. I really like that pink color. So that is the liquid lipstick and Get Lucky. So the next thing I have is the Beach Bum Frosted Blush. And this is what that looks like. Wow, that color almost matches that hot pink liquid lipstick we got. Oh, and it's got shimmer going through that. Let's see. Very smooth. Oh, look at that. That is really pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to try that one. Probably gonna have to shear that one out a bit, but that is still a pretty color even sheared out. That's gonna give a gorgeous glow on the cheeks for the summertime. So very excited about that. Ooh, okay. The next thing I have is a Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. And this is in the shade Red Currant. Oh my. Wow, that is pigmented. Okay, was not expecting that. I guess that can be sheared out, but man, that is like immediate. Oh, I need to get a towel, hold on. Oh, okay, now we're back. Now that we got that off, it does leave a little bit of a sheer like glow to the lips or to the skin. So maybe just use a little bit, you know, be careful how you squeeze it. This did just come from my mailbox, so it might be a little bit runny. So we've got that. And then the last thing we have is glitter. It is called the Glitter Sputnik. And it is a silver glitter right there. And I'm actually not gonna open this because I will never use a glitter. So this I'm not gonna open, but it's a very pretty color if you do wear glitter. So let's go back real quick to this liquid lipstick, and like I always like to do is see if it is going to smear or if it dries down completely, and that's not moving. That's cool. Okay, I'm really excited because if I was gonna wear this shade, I'm gonna need it not to move. at all, and it dried down perfectly. So super excited about that one. So this month I've got the liquid lipstick, the blush, the tinted glow, the glitter, and then the hair clip and the beauty blender that I'm a little bit trepidatious about, I'll be honest with you. So all in all, this is a really great box. I am super excited, especially about these two. Maybe not so much this one or the glitter, but these two especially. Y'all, can we talk about like perfect summer colors? Oh, I'm so excited. So that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you would like, comment, and subscribe, it really does help me out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.